A peaceful farm scene. Tractor 1 pulls Monkey on the trailer, heading into the farm. The field is dry and cracked.
Oh my God. Huh?
Monkey jumps down and steps forward to inspect the soil.
Huh?
Oh no!
Aha!
Monkey presents the plan.
Let's plow the field first. Sprinkle the seeds. The soybeans will grow fast.
Okay.
After finishing their discussion, they got straight to work.
Hello. Woohoo! Come on, let's do it together.
Yeah.
Tractor 1 with a seeder. Tractor 2 with a plow.
Yahoo!
Tractor 2 enters the field. The plow drops, turning over the soil. Tractor plows the whole field, then returns to its position. Monkey carries a seed bag and pours it into Tractor 1's seeder.
Woohoo! The seeds are ready. Tractor.
Yes!
Tractor 1 drives into the field. Seeds spray out in straight rows. Tractor 1 plants until the whole field is covered. The water sprayer spreads its arms and moves into the field. Streams of water spray out, spreading evenly on the ground.
Clamshell, it's your turn now.
Okay.
Clamshell grabs a straw bale and moves into the field. The straw is spread in rows across the ground. Clamshell spreads straw across the entire field. Seeds sprout. Soybean plants grow. The entire field turns green.
Goodbye, see you later.